Are you ready to get rolling with STVT? Well, I am, and you will too after hearing how easy it is to register for your CDL training license today. But don't just take my word for it. Here to tell us all about his experience, not only as a coordinator, but as a student as well, is Cody himself. Cody, you started STVT as a student. What was that experience like for you?
It was the best decision I ever made. I mean, I needed to support my family. I needed to get on the road and make a living sooner than later. And this program was 4 weeks, and it really benefited me a lot.
Now, as an instructor, what does it feel like to be, on the other side, but guiding these students for their future?
Honestly, it's actually a great feeling knowing that I'm helping somebody plan for their future and support their families. It feels good to give it back.
How do people get started if they want to get on one of these bad boys and get on the road?
Well, it's very easy. I mean, anybody can just type in STVT into google.com, and it'll pop right up. They can visit any one of our campuses located in the Valley in Brownsville, Weslaco, or McAllen. Or, look on online.stvt.edu, and someone will get back to you shortly.
Awesome. So it doesn't take that much to go ahead and get started, but if someone is looking right now and saying, hey, you know what, I want to get working and get registered tomorrow, do they need any requirements to register today?
Yes, they are required to have the learner's permit prior to starting. So if they're interested, they can always come to any of our campus, and we'll give them a preparation guidebook that gives them everything that they need in preparation to getting their permit. Once they got their permit, they can come down to our 4-week program.
Now, what does that program look like?
The first week is compelled mainly of training them and showing them what to expect on the road, teaching them all the hazards, road conditions, weather conditions, and then we make sure they feel confident in what they're about to endure on the road: mountains, hills, crazy populated areas, California, New York, Chicago. And then the next 2, 3, and 4th week we focus on the components of the vehicle. They have to learn how the fluids, checking the brakes, checking their tires, are they good to go? How to identify if something's wrong and what needs to be corrected. Then the 3rd week of the course, we put their hands on, we put them in the truck, teach them how to maneuver, specifically how to navigate through traffic, how to park at a trucking stop, or just getting around different situations, maybe those small roads. And then the last week, we put them in the truck and get them prepared for actually time on the road.
Wow, well, that sounds like a lot for 4 weeks, but if they can do it, this is the perfect place to come out to and do it with, because STVT makes sure their students are ready to go in any career that they end up choosing. Now, again, if people are wanting to register right now, where can they go and register?
They can come up to Weslaco, the front desk, and they will point them to the person they need for admissions, and they'll get them started. Get them started within 3 days.
Awesome. Well, there you guys have it. If you're ready to go, make your way on over to STVT Weslaco or any STVT campus nearest to you. For Take 5, I'm Brandon Rubalcaba. We'll roll on with you guys later.